Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you how to make these 10-minute scrumptious coconut ladoos, also known as Rava Laddu. These yummy ladoos are super duper easy to make and only requires 5 ingredients. It is a traditional Indian sweet suitable for all occasions and festivals. Now let's get to the recipe. For this recipe, I'm using fresh coconut. So what I'm doing over here is getting rid of the back of the coconut because it doesn't taste that well. After, I'm going to grind everything to get shredded coconut. You can also use store-bought shredded coconut, which will last longer and also make this recipe faster. But I'm going with fresh coconut because it tastes so much better as it's more fresh. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification button to get notifications every time I post a new video, and I post every single week. Now in a large pan, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ghee. Keep the flame on medium and let the ghee melt. Once the ghee has completely melted, add a handful of cashews and roast them until golden brown. My family is a big fan of cashews, so we tend to add more, and honestly, everything tastes better once cashews are added. Once the cashews are roasted, transfer them into another bowl as we're going to use them in the end. Now add 1 cup of semolina in the same pan and roast the rava till it attains a cream color. Make sure that the rava is neither overcooked or half cooked. Always cook on low to medium flame to make sure that the rava doesn't burn. You have to stir initially a few times, but later on you can stir them non-stop when the rava becomes hot. If you don't stir, the rava granules, which are in direct contact with the pan, will start getting browned or burnt. The first sign that the rava has roasted will be its aroma. Yes, you can feel the aroma in your kitchen. It is a pleasant aroma. The second sign will be that the rava granules will look separated and dry, like a crumbly mixture which is loose and light. After, it's time to add 2 cups of shredded coconut, which we have done before. You don't need to mix for too long, just about 3 minutes is enough. Now add 1 cup of white sugar and mix for another 2 minutes just until you can get the texture to make the balls. Once you get this texture where you can make the balls, you can now add the handful of roasted cashews from before. You can turn off the heat while mixing with the cashews. Now it's time to make the balls. So what I did over here is I'm going to apply ghee on the fingertips of my hand so it's easier to make the laddus. If the rava laddu does not hold its shape, it means that the mixture is dry. Ghee is the binding ingredient here, so add a few tablespoons of melted ghee, around 2 to 3 tablespoons in the laddu mixture, and then mix again to form the laddu. If the laddu is becoming more flat, then the ghee has become slightly more. So you can either roast some rava separately and then powder it and then add it to the mixture, or another easy option is to keep the laddu mixture in fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes and then you can shape the mixture in laddus form. Finally, rava laddus taste good for a month when refrigerated and minimum of 2 weeks in airtight container. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. Also, subscribe to my channel for more content with the notifications turned on. Bye!